Hello, loves. We're doing another collab today, and this is the Trendy nail art collab. So we tried out different techniques that's trending right now, and this is hosted by Painted, Polish, and Pretty, and Pratica. Forgot her last name, but it's on YouTube. I'll leave everybody's links below, and you can also catch them on Instagram, Cute Nail Art 96, and Painted, Polish, and Pretty as well, and all the other ladies who participated. So let's get into what exactly I am doing. I'm doing a milk bath technique, you guys. So this is my first time trying it. I decided to mix the pink and clear to make it like a little more translucent and take some of that pink away. It's more like a powdery pink. You can't really tell on camera, but hey. So right now, I'm applying base coat as the slip solution. At the moment, I was doing top coat, so it was kind of rough. I was trying to figure out what was so hard to do, but yeah, I made that mistake. But make sure you use base coat and not top coat. The stuff will spread a whole lot better. Oh, I did forget to mention this is Polygel. I use Melody Susie Polygel. Oh, if I'm gonna say this again, don't forget to check out the other ladies, you guys. Put it in the description box and in the comments to their playlist. And you can also check them out on Facebook. Not Facebook, on Instagram, I'm sorry. If your polygel is a little lumpy, that's alright. It's still wet, so just I'm applying some Fimos. I'm doing strawberries right now, so I'm gonna put that on there. I'm trying to make it like a strawberry milk. So you want to apply those, and then after you apply those, you want to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So after you do that, you want to apply the rest of the color over what you did already. Try to apply a thin layer because you don't want to make the whole nail opaque. You want it to be kind of translucent, like something's inside of milk, if you understand that. So that yellow one was Miss Cheering. That's the name of it. It's a color change one, and that's like a bright yellow. So I'm going to add this white, and I'm going to mix it together. Just going to apply a thin layer again. Then you spread that around. Try to make it as thin as possible. So the color might be a little off when you guys when you finish seeing this, because I had to make more color and the color was off, so it kind of changed the color I wanted it to be. I was kind of mad about that, but it is what it is. So for this one, since it's a milk technique, I decided to do banana milk. I mean, you know, I don't know if anybody that know about that, but you know, what was it? The one with the bunny on it, I think. It was a Nesquik, I think. But they had the strawberry milk, they had the chocolate milk, and they had banana milk. So I thought about that. So you spread that out, and then I'm going to add the bananas. I think these are bananas. I could be wrong, but I know from when I was little, the bananas don't look like that no more. But I remember eating the bananas, and there was like little black seeds in them. So I was like, these must be bananas. So I don't know, but yeah. Because the ones I have now, where I'm at, it's like, the bananas don't look like that no more. There's no seeds in them. I might find one like here or there, and that's about it. But I'm just applying these all over the place, you guys. You just apply them anywhere you want to. There's no right or wrong when you do these at all. So now I'm just going to apply some more. So with Polygel, you can try this technique with Polygel. You could do it with polish. I mean, like lacquer, regular polish. You could do it with gel polish. It could be done. I think it can. I don't know. Don't quote me. I know you could do it with acrylic. I know that for a fact. But yeah, just try it out. You never tried it out. It was actually kind of fun. So I'm going to use the white and the clear from Melody Susie. These are 50-gram tubes. These things are huge, and it still takes a minute to come out, as you can see. I'm gonna scrape that off. And I realized I made way too much. So you're gonna stir that all together, mix it up really good. I want it to be white, but I want it to be like a little opaque. Okay, so I applied it to the nail. So now I'm going to apply some fruits. I was just looking at anything that was bright. So we got some lemons, some oranges, grapefruit, and I couldn't tell you the other one. So yeah, just apply those exactly anywhere you want. It's up to you. I'm just applying in random spots. I'm trying to like fill up the nail some. Well, if you know what some of these fruits are, let me know, because I'm a little confused. I think it's lemon and grapefruit, but I'm not sure about the other two. So this is the last nail, you guys. This one is just full of lemons. I wanted to add a little yellow to it. So I realized when I mixed the Miss Cheering Polygel, the color change one, and the Melody Susie, their consistencies were a little different. So when I started mixing it up, it was like a little hard to mix up. But when I mixed it up, everything came out nice and smooth. As you can see right here. It kind of worked for a little bit, but then it started getting kind of gummy. So I don't think I'm going to mix the yellow with that again. So I'll try and error. So I guess I learned from that. And now we're gonna cover the white one. And after I do this, you guys, I'm applying builder gel. First I shaped the nail up on the sides, and then after that I apply the builder gel to even the nail out some. And after that I will file the nails down and buff them off your camera, and then I will top coat them. Added more polygel and it messed it all up. Okay, you guys, so this is after I filed and buffed the nails. I'm applying Model 1's top coat, like I always do. This is making me thirsty, you guys. I don't know about you, but it's making me thirsty. I want some lemonade now. So I got the lemon right there. So pretty. I think I did really good for my first time. I thought I was gonna look bad, but once I put the builder gel on and everything evened out, it has made it look so much better. So this is the strawberry milk one, you guys. I like this one the best. It was my first one too. So pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bananas. I think they're bananas. If they're not bananas, let me know in the comments. I thought it was a banana. I don't know. Okay, the last one. This is just all the colorful fruit. And in fact, there's an orange in there. But yeah, you see, I got kind of carried away, added more white to it, and you can barely see anything now. So I don't know if you consider that still a milk bath nail, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, do not forget to check out the other ladies, okay? Check out their videos. Show some love, you guys, and subscribe to them. Hey, hit that bell. So if you guys like these nails, I love them. Once I put the top coat on, it looked a whole lot better. So yeah, I'm loving that strawberry one the best. That and the lemons. So you guys so much one you like the best, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.